Hello everyone. So in today's video, I wanted to do a routine mainly focused on my base or foundation routine. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin and how glowy and how bright it looks. And part of it is my skincare routine, but also a major part of it is the makeup products that I've been using. So I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial, show you what I've been using. Again, everything will be linked as usual down in the description below, so let's just dive right in. The first thing that I've been using that I'm obsessed with is the Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. I've talked about this before. It just leaves your skin super dewy and looking super hydrated. It has quickly become one of my favorite primers. You can use a brush or your hands, however you apply primer. I just like to use a brush. And you really just want to work this primer in. The next step is I go in with my foundation. This is the foundation that I've been using for quite a few months. It's my new favorite, all-time favorite. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. It is medium to full coverage depending on how much you use. I really like it just because it is my skin but better. It leaves it feeling fresh. Leaves my skin looking glowy. It's not heavy at all. That's why I really like it. I just do a pump or even a half a pump sometimes, and it covers everything that I need it to. I keep looking off to the side because I have my mirror over here so I can see myself. Anyway, so the next step that I have been using is my E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the new concealer that I've been using that I really love. With both of these products, all three of these products, the key tip is that they are hydrating or dewy. That's what gives your skin that luminous look. So I'll just apply this in my problem areas, which is under my eyes, anywhere that I have dark spots, any place that I need a little more coverage. Love this concealer. And then I will just go in and blend it. I like to let it sit for a little bit. But if you are in a rush, you don't need to let it sit. You can just go in and blend as you normally would. The key thing about these products is the blending. You really want to blend it into the skin in order to get the fullest impact and the fullest coverage. So don't be afraid to take your time to blend. Next up, I like to go back in with the Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is a darker shade. What shade is this? Oh, it's Rich Ebony. This is what I like to use to contour. The other shade that I used was Rich Cocoa. So I'll go in with Rich Ebony to contour. Then I like to go in either with my highlight or my blush. I will go in with my highlight first. This one is an oldie but a goodie. It is from Wet n Wild. It is their Shimmer palette in Sand-Gria Castles. And then the blush that I'll be using is one of the newest blushes that I've got. It's from E.L.F. It is their Primer Infused Shimmer blush, and this is in Always Lucky. I've talked about both of these in my last video where I did my makeup, so if you want like a full review, opinions, ideas, you can check that one out. And then the last step is the Makeup Revolution Glow Fix setting spray, or I have the Makeup Revolution Glass Shimmer Fix. This one has like iridescent sparkles in it. I've been really loving this one. And then this one is just a regular setting spray. I think I'll do the Shimmer Glass today. If you can see, it's super pretty. So I'll do this one today just to set my whole face. Okay, and that is basically it. I'll usually just put on a lip. I already did my eyes off camera. It is the Colourpop Kathleen Light So Jaded palette. I just did a real neutral eye today. But yeah, that is my really quick and easy skincare routine that I've been doing. Usually it takes like 10 minutes, not even, but it just leaves my skin looking really natural, really glowy, really dewy. And yeah, this look will be up on my website with all the details. So make sure to check it out. It'll have links to all the products, where you can get them, all that good stuff. So see you in my next one.